I think the easy route, I mean, I don't know if it's the easy route, but most people would choose to go back to a 9 to 5. This entrepreneurial journey, I think,
Um,
when it's an unknown,
I
picking
mean,
yourself back up
I think
and
it depends where your head's at as an individual, because I mean I would disagree and say, well, that's the hard route, but then it depends who you are. And obviously, a lot of the kind of business influencers on Instagram nowadays, talk about that, the concept that having money or building a business is hard, not building a business is hard, choose your hard.
yeah,
And I guess there's probably some of that comes into it, that okay, getting a 9 to 5 may be easier insofar as
safer.
safer, that
Yeah,
I'll know I'll have some money by the end of this month,
yeah,
than going and building a business where I might not get paid that
yeah,
month.
exactly.
But I'd want to blow my brains out. I mean, going bankrupt and walking home to the wife and kid and having no money didn't, not, I guess, neither scared me nor made me depressed in any way. Tell you what, waking up in the morning and putting a suit and tie on to go and work for somebody else in their business, I mean, that would be fucking depressing.